When I sit up over the top of this high mountain building, facing the ocean, just to enjoy the view that seems amazingly incredible and passionate, listen to the birds sound that's singing a nice melody which I never heard before. It seemed wonderful. It seemed overwhelmed. It seemed extraordinary than no one ever think. I feel like a way to enjoy the nature, a clear nature with every little bird coming around, just flying over top of me and bring the voice around my ears and the cool breeze from the clouds. So beautiful you can't even imagine. Wow, it is so enjoyable. That powerful breeze came down from heaven. So powerful, make you feel like you're in a place that no one ever been. Can you imagine? Now is the time to understand or ask these questions. Seriously, you think God gonna create the beautiful nature and clean environment for us and send diseases, bacteria, pandemic and all that to destroy human being that he has been created himself for us to live in peace? No, it's not the plan of the loving God for us. Do you think on the beautiful world that created for all to live in peace and united, and God gonna really send the diseases that's coming to kill us in by quantities, million people die in a couple months? Do you think God gonna do something like that? But God is love. God really loves us at a point. He sacrificed his beloved son for us to wash our sin. As of today, he set us free. And he did that for all of us, for me, for you. He set all of us free with no discrimination. He didn't care about your color, your race, or your ethnicity. He did it for all nations, no matter where you're from. So today is time we have to understand things is not just coming naturally. Someone have to be responsible for what happened. It is not a joke. They should have something behind. They should have at some point somebody can bring something for some reason. Now we realize the whole world change is all about money. It's all about having big businesses. It's all about name and legacy. And they forget about human being that God has been created to live in united in peace. It has been created for us to be united and love each other, provide care for each other. And now you leave the world into devil's hands that's created stuff to kill us. And they pretend that it's natural. God is not going to create the beautiful nature and send stuff to kill us. No. It came from somewhere. Sure, it came from somewhere. Somebody can come and tell us the truth. Why so many people die and many people going to die again through the world. Just to please somebody who need to be powerful and dominate the world? No, the world had only one master named God and God only. But the world has created for us to live in united in peace. And today is time to understand God is listening. It's watching and is taking notes. God is listening, watching and is taking note. Whatever you believe it or not. But God has the last word. Sorry to tell you that I love you so much and I need you to stay strong to cross that bridge, and you're not gonna die if it's not God's will.